Okay, this is my simplified glove controller. I used a latex glove, and because they're just so big, I just put binder clips on the top. I only have a 30-minute period, so I have to make things quickly. So I thought this would be a great way to make it. So I clipped it in the back to keep them from falling off. And for my earth, I just made a simple band with a binder clip. So we usually make a maze game in Scratch. I thought it might be a good idea to let the students use the glove as part of their project. So the only thing that I would do differently would be to make sure that the students labeled their gloves so that they knew which way was which, because it takes a little while to get used to which button is which. So that's my glove. Cheap, easy, and fast.